Here at Ace Car Care, we are now able to offer you a payment plan. A payment plan is for a service where you may not be able to afford the amount up front, so we can now offer to spread this over 4 payments. If you wanted to book in for one of our services, which was £450, you'd need to pay a £50 deposit in order to secure that repair or that service into the diary. Then when you come in, we'd set up the payment plan, in which case the initial payment of £100 would be taken out that day, and there would be 3 remaining payments of £100 on the same day of the following months. With the payment plans, there is a soft credit check which is carried out. This does not leave a mark on your credit rating, but it does check your eligibility for the payment plan. The payment plan is not actually available on all of our services, but it is a lot. If you speak to the person who you're booking in with, they will be able to advise you if your services or your repairs are covered against the service plan. If a payment plan is something you might be interested in, then do please get in touch. Give us a call, pop in and see us. Any one of the team is familiar with these payment plans, so they can provide you with more information if you need it.